Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm walking you through QHuman 3.0, a cheeky little app that records your mouse and keyboard so you can replay them whenever you fancy. Let's get started and set up your very first macro. The quickest way to install QHuman is from the Microsoft Store. Type QHuman into Google and click the Microsoft Store result. Or head over to tryhardinfinity.com and click Get QHuman Free. Once it's installed, open the app. You'll see a lovely welcome window with the version and a short changelog. If you'd rather not see it on every launch, just tick Don't show this again and hit OK. Right then, before we record, let's pop into Settings and flip on two handy bits. In the Recording tab, make sure Record Mouse Movements is ticked. It's on by default but worth a quick check. Now switch over to Playback and turn on Real-Time Mouse Movements. This replays the actual path you traced with your mouse, rather than teleporting between clicks. Much more natural looking. Brilliant, let's move on. Time to record your first sequence. For this demo, I'm using the drag test at clickcounter.io/drag-test. A clear, obvious target so you can see it working. Hit the record button on the toolbar or press Ctrl plus F9 to start. You'll see that little floating indicator pop up as QHuman captures your input. I'll do the first two tests on the page. When you're done, click Stop in the indicator or press Ctrl plus Alt plus S. Now save it. Click Save or press Ctrl plus S. Give your macro a name. It'll appear in the left panel, and that panel is persistent between launches. So anything saved here is here next time too. Easy peasy. Now let's play it back. Click Play All or press Ctrl plus F10. Watch QHuman replay everything you just recorded, click for click, drag for drag. If you ever need to stop mid-playback, press Ctrl plus Alt plus S, or just slam your mouse cursor into any corner of the screen. That's the failsafe, and it always works. And there you have it, lovelies. You've made your very first QHuman macro. If you fancy joining our community, the Discord link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more fab tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.